Good afternoon, Mr. Pigeon. What is your name? I'm Raven Pigeon. You're Raven Pigeon, are you? Yeah. Have you heard of a global bird called Paaarty Pigeon? Yeah, what guy? What bird? Yay. Paaarty Pigeon is going with Golden Pigeon up Snowdon on Sunday to raise money for Mind Charity. Have you heard of Mind Charity? I have indeed. Will you be prepared to help Mind Charity? Of course I will. Fantastic. Well, it's very good to meet you today in the woods, Raven Pigeon. I will see you very soon, my friend. See you soon.